Welcome to the tutorial on how to use our design tool in ROES Pro. I am Natalie and I will be guiding you through this video. Open up your ROES Pro app, log in, and search for the product and size you want to design. For this demonstration, I will choose a 20 by 24. Add your image folder to the bottom. These are the tools that we will be using for the design. Let me go through them with you one by one. But first, for this main image size, you can rotate here at the bottom if you wanted a vertical rather than a horizontal. First tool is this background tool. You can click on it and browse your computer for any backgrounds that you'd like to use for the design. I have all my backgrounds stored in a folder on my computer, so I recommend adding the folder to the bottom just like you did with these images so that you can use the backgrounds as you need to. The next tool is our draw tool. This tool allows you to draw in new layers. The next tool is our edit tool. Within that layer you can rotate here, zoom in, zoom out, lock the image into that layer, or crop the image to fit the box. I'll also be showing you how to add borders and shadows in a few minutes. You can also edit the size and the positioning of the layer. You can also do all these things right here at the bottom. You can choose this for the X coordinate, the Y coordinate, the width if you want it to be a specific size, 10 by 10, you could do that here, it'd be exactly a 10 by 10. Also, if you wanted to rotate it a degree, you can do that here. Then our Draw Text tool. This allows you to create text boxes. You can change the font of your text here, the color here. This tool is our Image tool. It allows you to move around the image within the layer. The tools with the arrows going down and up move the layers back to front. The next four are our alignment tools. Say if you have multiple boxes and you want to align them, you select one, shift, select the other, use the alignment tool to align it to one side, to the top, to the bottom. Next are our options on the side. The first tool that I love to use is our grid tool. Just want to point it out really quick. Choose grid and snap, and then choose a spacing. If you like the 0.5, which is a good spacing, I also like the 0.25 as a spacing. Keep it at 0.5 for this demonstration. It allows you to move around the image and have it snap perfectly, so that way you get some clean designs in there. Masks are great for layers if you wanted to add a circle or a sloppy border of some sort. You can do that here with the ones that we've provided. If you have any masks on your computer, you can always add them to your selection here as well. Tint allows you to easily make an image layer black or white or sepia without having to open an external design software. Fill can be used to add a color to a layer or a background layer. You can fill that layer with a color, and you can move around the opacity so that that color fills in that image a little bit and gives it a different look. Stroke, like I said before, this is our borders. You can select a layer, choose a color, and click stroke to add a certain type of border. You can change the color here, you can change the width of the border here. Shadow creates depth to the layer. You can choose a layer or a few layers and click shadow and then play around with the blur, the opacity, and the direction of the shadow. Opacity, like we showed you before, if you click on an image and you turn that opacity down, right now this background is filled with black, so it's gonna darken that layer of the background and create an even color. Montage allows you to create quick and simple collages. You can choose how many you want to cross and down, create a new montage, and it puts in those boxes for you. Select them all to add a border, and voila! Thank you so much for watching. We hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or get in touch with us. From everyone here at Photo Pro, have a great day.